adventures. Hey people, we're on our life adventures right now. Looking for rabbit, but none rabbits. We know hunting. You can hear dogs right now. Wildlife adventures. Hope you enjoy our video.
Let's me and you open the video. You want to do that?
Open big what?
We're going to open the video. We're going to
They're so wired up. The dogs have been up for 3 or 4 days. Really? They're so... Yeah.
You say Wildlife Adventures?
Good to meet you.
Wildlife adventures.
Right.
What is happening, people? Hey guys, we got a little rabbit hunting going on. You can hear the dogs in the background. We just jumped the first rabbit. I got my buddy Brody here. Brody, what are you watching today?
Watching Screen Door run them rabbits.
Wildlife adventures and watching Screen Door bark.
Yeah, Screen Door is gone on there. Hey guys, stay with us and hope you enjoy the video. Right by my feet. Come on, let's slide out front here. Get out here where we can see. You could, hey, come on, be my shooter. He didn't say whether he got him.
And cracking and walking.
Yeah, because so most of the time after once they jump, as long as the dogs is going away from you, you can move. But if they ever stop or turn, then you need to be still. Because sometimes a rabbit will go out about 150, 200 yards, sit there. The dogs get close to him, he takes off on a beeline back. So the dogs will still be way down there. All right, he got back by us. He's gone back in that swamp. So it looks like we just glimpsed a rabbit. The rabbit come up towards the dirt road. They got a shot at him, missed him. He's gonna come back by us. We didn't get a good shot at him. So the dogs are still on him. They chunking that rabbit. You couldn't see him sitting there, could you? I was just sitting here and I saw something. Daggone it. It could have been a side rabbit, I don't know. Well, again, we've shot at the rabbit. Did not get him. Still running the same rabbit. It's been about 30 minutes. We actually seen him down here but couldn't get a shot at him. So stay with us, see if we get this rabbit. Uh-oh. Watch right in here. So to give you an update, we got the rabbit. I believe everybody in the hunting party seen this rabbit, but I think Dwayne finally got a couple of rounds in on him, and the dogs finally run him down and caught him. So anyway, hey, one down. Hey, stay with us. Let's go jump another rabbit.
Yeah, I froze for a second.
Froze for a second. There's the rabbit. Oh, I gotta get ready. Yeah, that happens.
We need a warm-up rabbit.
Yeah, yeah, that happens. You want? Find him out. Find him out.
Hold on, Brody. This is like the jackpot.
Find him out.
Been standing here like this and one popped out and you shot him? Or the dog's too close?
The dog's a little close if one just popped out right here. You know, now if they jumped up here and he come running through the woods, that's different, you know. I was hoping. So as predicted, they run the rabbit out of the thicket and he come around behind us. We'll take a look at him coming by. They hide on his trail. Well, to give you an update, they run that last rabbit down into a very swampy, watery area. And the dogs just couldn't bring him back out of that swamp, so we elected to keep hunting up the edge of the field. The temperature's way up, it's about 60 degrees, it's very humid. And we're gonna try to jump one more rabbit and let the dogs run. And we're getting ready to hunt into a big thicket. You can see it behind me here. Big. It's so thick we can't get in it, but we're letting the dogs just push right on through and see if they can jump a rabbit out of there. So, hey, stay with us and let's jump a rabbit. I mean, Riley, come on up here. He went across here. Come on, this way. I would say feather out here. He's gonna come back.
I'm gonna get over here, Riley. Come on, let's go.
He crossed down on the other side, the far side. So Riley, come right here. Come right here and be ready. Kenneth will go around the corner. So we got one going up this thicket. Riley's on point.
Back up in the woods here, edge, look at where we won't see him. He's trying to matter.
Maybe. That's good.
Back over here, come on now.
All right, you on point. So, lots of times what the rabbit will do, the rabbit will come back down through here, and he'll sit right there.
Be ready, Riley.
And all of a sudden, he'll shoot across the road. So Riley's on point.
Right here. They're smoking him now, Sam.
Where's Kenneth at?
On the other
He's
side.
right on the other side.
Is he on that point?
Going around
Yeah,
there.
going around there and go up the
Step back
field.
to the right then so Riley can shoot.
Yeah.
Watch Brody, he's coming with you. Go with your dad, Brody.
He's going to pop back out on the edge somewhere. I don't know whether he'll be here close enough for us to see him again. I don't know. That was a whitetail because I can see his whitetail.
So they run the rabbit all the way up yonder. In that finger. We just gonna stay here and wait for him to come back. We got Kenny and a couple of them out there. Actually, they way over there. In that finger. Boom. They're running two different rabbits. They got one up yonder and one right here. So as you can see, they are way up there. The dogs. Dogs are way up there. Alright, we're gonna go on up. See if we can get in front of this rabbit. Yeah. Well, Kenny just got a rabbit right there. Don't know if it's the same rabbit. Just walk down. That's the rabbit they were on. Let me see if
I'm going to see.
All right, go down there. Yeah, you can go down there. Something dead here. Hey guys, we're getting ready to end this video. We started in the afternoon. We were waiting for some folks to come down. They didn't, get down here at about 12:30. So we really didn't start rabbit hunting until about 1 o'clock. The day has been really hot. It's been really sticky, and the wind has been puffing, as you can hear behind me, really bad. But anyway, we wound up jumping just 3 rabbits. We hunted some thin areas up under some big pines just so we wouldn't get wet in case the rain moved in. And we fought the wind all day. All in all, it was a good day. Hey, a lot of the guys that came down from Virginia got the opportunity to get out and do a little rabbit hunting, and I think Brody enjoyed himself today. What do you think? Anyway, I hope you've seen something in the video that you enjoyed. Hope you've seen something in the video that you liked. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Subscribe to the channel. We appreciate everything everyone's doing. And don't forget to click the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss an episode of Wildlife Adventures. And as always, you remember, it's a wildlife, and I'll see you in the video.